Hey loves, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite DIYs to date, which is this super affordable and quirky hot drinks bar. Now I put this together for guests that were visiting during the postpartum period, but guys, light bulb moment, this is great for any time of the year, either for yourself at home or for when you have people coming around and you don't have time to cook but you do want to give them something to drink or something to nibble on. So without further ado, here is how I put this hot drinks bar together. First up, we have the trolley itself. This was from Amazon, and guys, it was so easy to build. In fact, I actually built it in my last month of pregnancy, and it took me no longer than 10 to 15 minutes to put together. It has 3 tiers as you've seen, and it's so sturdy, and of course it's also got wheels so you can move it around easily. Next up, I have a hot water dispenser. So we do have a kettle in the kitchen, but the whole point of the trolley was not to have to go back and forth and to be able to have the dispenser on the trolley in whichever room I'd like it to be in. I also love the dispenser because it does boil water as hot as a kettle, but it does it a lot faster, so that was a win-win. Now I don't know about you, but I love to drink my tea or coffee with milk, so I have a jar from IKEA and it's got some milk pods in it for those who drink dairy. Alongside the milk I have a medley of jars from IKEA which hold some black tea bags, some coffee granules and some sugar and teaspoons. And to switch things up a bit, I also have a tumbler in which I put some sachets of hot chocolate and lattes of various flavours. And of course I can't forget my hot chocolate lovers. No hot chocolate is complete without having some sprinkles and marshmallows, so I do have some extra jars for those, again from IKEA, and those have definitely been a hit with the kids. Of course, to drink all of these we do need some teacups, so I have these transparent cups and saucers which were an absolute bargain from John Lewis. I love these. And next to these I keep a biscuits jar which we fill with our favourite biscuits on rotation, as well as a milk heater or a milk frother for those who prefer creamier drinks or are having a drink that doesn't require water but instead requires milk. Last but not the least, on the very bottom shelf is where we keep some additional variations of tea, such as your herbal teas and some extra milk. I also have the lattes and the hot chocolates that are kept there for top-ups, and some honey for those who prefer it, some biscuits and some non-dairy milk. I also do keep a bottle of water here to refill the dispenser, but unfortunately I forgot to include it in the shop. And that is it guys. Do let me know if you've ever created a hot drinks bar, and if so, what you put on yours, or if you're actually thinking of giving it a try. Till next time, bye.